Hi everyone, Terry Vital here. So Thursday I'm just at the end of the trail here. I was just telling you I didn't want to go all the way back, so this is where I started. So anyway, I'm just going to go right around and then back down. So I'll just videotape here. Beautiful up here. A lot of money up here. Beautiful out, no clouds. Some little house. Probably an original house that's been up here. I know there's bears up here, so hopefully we won't run into them. Nice gates. Usually horses out here, but I don't see any today. Oh. Municipality Trail, as you can see it there. Actually, it's a protected park, so it must be provincial. I've done this one, but it's a long trail. Do that some other time. Usually don't bother me, they just bark. The one in here, he's a little bugger. Lots of gated places here. Guess you got it nowadays. Somebody's getting something. That's a gated place. Security, which is understandable. Oh, must be putting siding. Golden ears up here. See if there's any snow. Shouldn't be, but you never know. A couple of weeks ago there was. Not hard to see. Trees. Those trees are getting so high you can't see the mountains anymore. When I first moved here, you could see all of the golden ears. Now you can't see anything of that. Yeah, look at that, you can't see none of them. fall, you probably could, no leaves on it. Oh, there's that guy in his plane again. Where is he? Oh, there he is. A lot of planes around here, small ones. Anyway, this is the loop we were at the top when I started out. I'll show it to you. Yeah. I was at the top of that hill, went all the way around and come out here. And the other video is a path from here to Dudney. So anyway, guys, I'm going to cut it off here. A beautiful house over there. And anyway, give it a thumbs up, ring the bell for more videos. Hopefully I can get them in there. And don't forget to subscribe. I know it's hard to subscribe when you don't have enough videos or enough people. But subscribe anyway, and hopefully it'll count towards me. Anyway, guys, we'll let you go. See you next video.